In the name of Allah, the most compassionate, the merciful. A defect may lead to the dramatic performance improvement over the ideal material. In semiconductor revolution was made possible by the ability to add impurity to control the properties as conductivity. Batteries, fuel cells, computer memories, data storage all utilize to start the understanding and manipulation of defect. And it all start from a missing atom. Literally meaning of defect is lack, imperfection, fault, and deficiency. The literally meaning of solid fundamental matter state of matter, definite shape that only change when a force is applied. Forces between the atom in a solid can take a variety of forms. Molecule in a solid are closely packed together. Crystalline solid can be categorized into two forms: elastic properties or the occurrence of X-ray diffraction patterns, and they are controlled by the regular periodic structure of the crystal structure. And on the other hand, diffusion or the mechanical strength, which are controlled by the defects in the regular arrangement of atoms. Defects can be arranged in a four-dimensional, zero-dimensional point. We are called point defect, one-dimensional linear defect, two-dimensional planar defect, three-dimensional volume defect. Point defect. These are the zero dimensional, interstitial, vacancies, Frankel Schottky impurity. Vacancy when an atom is missing from its lattice side. Interstitial when an atom occupies the known lattice side. Schottky occurs in ionic solid when oppositely charged atom missing from their side, and also called divervacancy. Frankel atom leave its position and occupies an interstitial position. Vacancy interstitial pair is formed, and we know, and it's a point. Line defect, edge dislocation, skew dislocation, mixed dislocation. In a planar defect, grain boundaries, stacking fault, external surfaces, tilt and twist boundaries, twin boundaries. Volume defect, voids, precipitates, inclusion, and cracks. M for metal and X for non-metal. Metal vacancy is represented by VM, non-metal vacancy is represented by VX, and metal interstitial is represented by MI, non-metal interstitial is represented by XS. This is a diagram. We can get VX point defect in a crystal of a pure compound. M for metal and X for non-metal. VM is a metal vacancy. VX is a non-metal vacancy. Anti-side defect occur in an alloy or compound when atoms of different types exchange their position. If both atoms exchange their position, then the composition of alloy remain unchanged. Anti-side defect can occur during crystal growth when atoms are misplaced on the surface of the growing crystal. Alternatively, they can be created by internal mechanism once the crystal is formed, provided the sufficient energy is applied to allow for atom movement. Defect formation and reaction equation. Defects are introduced in solid to modify its physical or chemical properties. Normally, when we write chemical equation, then we ignore defects in the balance of equation. Defect formation can be included while writing chemical equations. Anti-side defect can also be created via the intermediate formation of a Frankel defect. When ionic crystal is involved, this required that electrons are considered separately. Equation formalism rules. The number of metal atom sites must always be in a correct proportion to the number of non-metal atom sites in the crystal. The crystal must be electrically neutral. The total number of atoms on one side of the equation must balance the total number of atoms on the other side. Addition and subtraction of atoms. When writing defect formation equation, the strategy involved is always to add or subtract element to or form a crystal via electrically neutral atom. Neutral atom are added to interstitial position if ions are present. Then the necessary number of electron must be added or subtracted as well. When ionic crystal is involved, this requires that electrons are considered separately. Structural consequence of point defect: a monatomic vacancy, self-interstitial substitutional impurity, interstitial impurity. First two one intrinsic and the second two one are extrinsic. Crystalline compound, short key defect, Frankel defect, anti-side defect, substitutional impurity, interstitial impurity. First third one are intrinsic and the last two one are extrinsic. Edge dislocation. An edge dislocation we can show in the diagram, and edge dislocation occur when an extra atom is inserted into a plane of the crystal lattice. If one of the vertical plane does not extend to full length but ends in between the crystal, then it is called edge dislocation. Edge dislocation is represented by this in edge dislocation, the Berger vector B is perpendicular to the dislocation line. Make it easier for atoms to slip past one and another, making it easier from the metal to deform. Berger vector. It is a vector that determines the magnitude as well as direction of the slip. The latest distortion resulting from a dislocation in a crystal lattice. Screw dislocation. Atoms of crystal are displaced in two separate planes such that it forms a screw shape around the dislocation. Lattice structure of a crystal in which atoms are arranged in a helical pattern that is normal to the former of the stress. Mix dislocation. Screw dislocation can be represented by the blue line. Edge dislocation can be represented by the green line, and the mixed dislocation can be represented by the black line. Combination of screw and edge dislocation called mixed dislocation. Dislocation. Dislocation having Berger vector less than 1 unit is called partial dislocation. The pair of partial dislocation along with stacking fault region is called extended dislocation. Partial dislocation are of two types: Shockley and Frankel partial dislocation. A dislocation with its Berger vector equal to one lattice spacing is called unit dislocation. The energy release on dislocation of a perfect dislocation into a partial dislocation is called stacking fault energy. Multiplication of dislocation. Dislocation are formed during plastic deformation. There are a number of mechanisms by which new dislocation are formed. When dislocation are pinned at certain obstacle, then their density increases. In this way, dislocation are multiplied. Dislocation move during plastic deformation. Frank Reed source of dislocation multiplication. Increase in stress increases more bulking of dislocation, and in 19 propose a Frank Reed mechanism of dislocation multiplication. Instead, it bulks out from the pinning center. When a stress is applied to this defect, then dislocation cannot move to relieve stress. FR mechanism requires that the length of dislocation should be pinned at each end. Movement of dislocation. When a shear stress is applied on a metal, dislocation movement occur. The movement of dislocation lead to plastic deformation. Glide movement, dislocation motion in its own plane. Climb movement perpendicular to slip. Cross slip movement. Screw dislocation move from one slip plane to another plane due to local stress. Interaction of dislocation and point defect. The dislocation can interact with point defect to form dislocation loop. This normally occurs at high temperature. A dislocation loop can be formed aggression of vacancies on a crystal. Elastic strain energy of dislocation. The presence of dislocation in any crystal produces stresses and strain within the crystal. These stress result in an increase in its stored elastic energy. A simple approximation is E is equal to half G B square. Multiple alleles. An individual may only vary 2 alleles for a given gene. Blood transfusion recipient, antibodies, donor, red blood cell. Variation in inheritance. Condominions, both alleles fully expressed in heterogenes. Your feedback will be very appreciated, and please